Right, welcome to learning exercise 1.3.4. This unit I'm still looking at factorizing trinomials, but now specifically note our last two terms are negative. So if you look there, factorize x squared minus 5x minus 6. Again, x squared can be expressed as x times x. Factors of 6. Now that value is negative 6, so whenever we multiply now, one term must be negative, the other one must be positive. So there, as you can see, I have minus 6 times 1 would give me minus 6. Minus 6 plus 1 equal minus 5. I can say 6 times negative 1, so the negative change place, gives me minus 6, and then I have 6 minus 1 equal positive 5. Can also say minus 3 times 2 gives me negative 6, then minus 3 plus 2 equal minus 1. And then I have 3 times negative 2 equal negative 6, and then 3 minus 2 equal positive 1. In this case, we want minus 5x in the middle. So to get minus 5x, as you can see there in the first situation, minus 6 times 1, negative 6 plus 1, minus 5. So when I factorize, see my minus 6, plus 1, plus 1. X times x, x squared. Minus 6x plus 1x gives me minus 5x, and minus 6 times 1 becomes minus 6. So they have factorized that expression. Again, as I said, just to get extra reinforcement, let's look at more problems. On average, I've done 3. I hope that if you work through 3, you get the hang of it. So they have x squared minus 9xy minus 36y squared. So last two terms negative again. The front, x squared, by now you should know x times x is x squared. They have y squared, y times y is y squared. Now I have to look at the factors of 36 because that is 1 there. Right, minus 36, so one term must be negative, the other one must be positive. Minus 36 times 1 equal minus 36. Minus 36 plus 1 gives me minus 35. Do I want the minus 35? No, so not valid. Next factors, minus 12 times 3 gives me minus 36. Minus 12 plus 3 gives me minus 9. See there, in that row I get that answer. And if I go further, last factor, minus 6 times 6, minus 36, minus 6 plus 6 equals 0. So there I have my answer. So as you can see, minus 12, there's my minus 12, plus 3, plus 3. So that gives me x times x, x squared. Minus 12xy plus 3xy gives me minus 9xy, and then 12 times 3 gives me 36. Right, and if I look, third problem, x squared, now again negative and negative. Now I have 32, x times x, x squared, y times y, y squared. Very easy, no? Know that. Factors of 32, sorry I made a typing error, but factors of 32, because last term is negative, this must always be negative times positive, you see there? So minus 32 times 1, negative 32. Minus 32 plus 1 equal minus 31. Right? It's not the middle term I want. Minus 16 times 2, minus 32. Minus 16 plus 2 equal negative 14. You see they have a negative 14? They got a negative. Can even go further. Minus 8 times 4, minus 32. Minus 8 plus 4 equal negative 4. I don't have negative 4 there. So the only one that's valid is the one in the middle. So as you can see, they have minus 16 plus 2, right? And x times x, x squared, right? And oh, here and I typed in positive. That must read negative and negative, no? So you just correct it, or I'll correct it and I'll redo the video. But all the best and enjoy. God bless. Amen and amen. I am here to help you.